boy. Come. Come on, Gizmo. Come on. Look. Come. Come, Gizmo. Come. Here, Gizmo. Here.
I actually might get my stuff and walk along take all my shoes and walk along the lake.
Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go.
Why don't we get our shoes and like Charlene can walk up on that stand and we'll walk down to the other thing with our shoes on.
What other thing? Good boy. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Come on. Here, hang on.